Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. We're talking about ADAS this morning. Most of you are probably thinking, what's that? Advanced Driver Assist Systems. They're almost on every vehicle you purchase now, especially in the last 8 years or so. These systems are quite complex, but also save lives and are quite amazing. It consists of lane departure systems that with sensors prevent or let you know when you're departing a lane. Advanced traffic signal sensors, when you're coming up to a traffic light, will actually apply the braking of your vehicle, etc. Things like this that in advanced parking help you park the vehicle, as you've seen on multiple vehicles. So there's a lot of these systems and they all work together, but they all have to do with modules and sensors that are built into the vehicle. Some are built into the taillights, some are built into the side view mirrors, others into the front of the vehicle, etc. There's sensors all over the vehicle. That's all great, but when it comes time to align the vehicle or do some other items on the vehicle, when it becomes maintenance or a vehicle's been in a slight collision, everything must be calibrated and it must be taken to a qualified facility such as the West Automotive Group. If you're having an issue with your vehicle, make sure you get it aligned by a proper technician.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.